This one has a crack, which I've already sanded here. The problem is this is a pier-and-beam home, so I can't inject foam underneath there to brace it from the back, but this is a good solid tub. It's not very flimsy like a lot of the acrylic tubs, so I'm going to put a polyester resin on top of here and build it not just in this area, but over the entire tub. So everything is braced and strengthened and really built up for them. And of course, it'll be warranted and all that good stuff. We'll see if I can do anything with this and just help them out with that. This is the tub with the crack. Got that repaired. Polyester resin in that cracked area. I'm going to see if they'll get a glue down drain to go over that. I think it would just really help tremendously. And I did the entire tub, and I think I had showed this on the before, but I fixed that for him while I was here. It was really easy.